Hello! In this video I want to show you how to pack files into RAR and zip archives on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G. So in order to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app, which we've shown how to download in our other video. Now let's open it. From here, find the files that you want to pack. Select each of the files. Click on this arrow pointing, click on this plus button. Here you'll be able to change any archiving options. There's a lot of them, so just choose which options you want to use. I'm just gonna change the name for it. Click OK when the settings are set up. And that way you'll create a RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.